Hey guys, I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like on. I actually have my 3D white strips on right now, and I'm going to show you guys. Looks like that, and I have it on, and I have the bottom one on too. So that's how it looks, and after a while it will look it will start getting whitish and stuff, and try to swallow your saliva because when it's accumulated it tastes even more gross. So that's about it, and I'll see you guys after I do another video. Bye.